chocolate chip cassava cookie bars. And what inspired me to make this is that my father, he loves sugar-free, grain-free alternatives for desserts. And I decided that I would surprise him with this cookie bar recipe. I have my dry ingredients, my wet ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. Let's get to it. I'm gonna just get the cookie. So the reason why I am spooning this into the measuring cup, the cassava flour into the measuring cup, is because I don't want it to be too compact, because if it is, the cookies will be crumbly, and we do not want that. We want fluffy, not crumbly cookie bars. For the fun part, I think, we're going to go ahead and pour them into these pans. And I have them lined with parchment paper and oiled. The reason why I lined and oiled this with coconut oil is because I don't want these to stick to my pan. Because if they do, it's going to be harder for me to get them out. And everybody's going to go home crying. For how long I should bake these. It says for 24 to 26 minutes. Alright, y'all. Time to put some in the oven.
Interlude. This is a joke singing for all of the people in Saints who love jokes. Okay, this is a good one, guys. What did the buffalo say to his son? Bye, son.
Bye, son.
Bye, son.
Right now, we are about to remove my cookie bars out of the oven, and we're about to see how they look. Put these on top of her. And that one on top of her. They truly look gorgeous. He is about to try our first made, homemade cassava cookie bars.
It looks delicious, Madison.
Sugar-free, yes. I think they are.
Smells good.
Alright, so here we go.
All right.
Wait, hold on. Now film that right there. What is that? Right there.
What?
So I guess that means that they are delicious because Michael wanted to run away with the whole entire plate. Bless y'all saints.
Okay, silly's out. It's on now? 3, 2, is it on? Is it on? Okay.
You're recording now.
Okay. Don't get any shells in there. Don't get any shells. Don't get any shells, Madison. Come on now. Okay. Alright, that is it of the cauliflower bomb. I'm gonna put that over here. That is a hot mess. Yeah, so surgery. Okay. Wow. Looks gorgeous. Now just wait until you put in the chocolate chips. Okay. Be delicious. Be delicious. Now that this is even, I believe it is, we're not going to go ahead and pop it in the oven. Wait, no we're not. We're We're gonna do the other one. My bad. Alright.